Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to contour an image in Design Space. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google and just choose an image. So I'm just going to go to Google and I've typed in flower colouring page. So I just left click, I save image as, and I'll save it to downloads. And I'll just save it as flower colouring page. Press save. And then go to Cricut Design Space. And to upload image, browse, find your download and press open, and then we come to a page like this. Now if it's a black and white image, the simple context will do. So if it was like different colours or the complexity was quite high, you would change it, but whilst it's just a black and white image, so I can just press continue, and then we come to a page like this. Now this is the page that we call clean it up. In the top left hand corner you have a magic eraser, so all you need to do is to select that, and the first thing you do is erase the background. You see how it's all turned checked? Now we want it all checkered, so you want to tap in every single part to erase everything. We just want the black lines. Now do not forget the detail of that stem. So you can zoom in, at the top right hand corner there's a zoom, and you just zoom all the way in to make sure that you get that stem. And when you press continue onto the next page, it will say cut image or print and cut. Now we want to save it as a cut image, so you just press save and you just type in what you want to type in up here, and you can tag it for if you need it into there, and just press upload and it's saved. You just tap on this and press insert, and it'll bring it up onto our canvas. Now you need to make the size that you want before you alter any changes, but I've not got a specific size, so I'm just going to be able to do it like this. Now I like to do a colouring page when I layer it onto a black background, because it makes the colours pop, and I'll show you at the end by what I mean by this. So the first thing that I do is I duplicate. So I've got two images, okay, and I press the contour button, the bottom right hand corner, okay, and I just scroll down to where it says hide all contours, okay. You see this one? Just press that. And you click on the outside of the screen, because you will not be able to see what it is until you click out of it. And that black image, that is our base. Okay, so you just move this to one side, okay, just pop it out of the way. You go back to the original image and you press duplicate, okay. You basically duplicate for the different colours that you want, okay. So then I just press the contour button again. Now I want to remove everything apart from the petals, okay? So I don't want the lower ones, I just want the round petals. So you just go down the side and eliminate them, and then click to the side, and then I'm left with the petals. Now this top box up here, this black one, is a colour. Now I always change mine to the colour of what I would do them, so I could see what it would look like. So I'm just going to do the petals purple. You can just move that to one side, go back to the original image, duplicate, move that to the side, and press the contour. Now this time I want to eliminate everything apart from the round circle in the middle. So you just go down on the right hand side and just press, and you can see when you press it, it goes grey. So you've got to think of that as remove, because you don't want it. Okay, so the only one I've left highlighted is the round circle. See, and I'm going to change that to the colour that I would have, which would be yellow. Okay, and I move that to the side. And I press this and I duplicate. And now I need the stem and the 2 leaves. So I just press the contour. And I just remove everything apart from the 2 leaves, which are those, and the stem. Click on the outside, change the colour, and it's green. Okay, now this is our original image. I always like to leave the original image on so I can see and remember how to layer it. So when you press make it, you pop the colour vinyl in that you would like the colours printed on, okay? And it will cut out in these shapes. So the black one, you would weed and it would look like this, okay? Then the purple one you'd weed and you'd layer it on top of the black, like this. Then you'd get the yellow and you'd layer that onto the top like this. And the same for the green and the stem. You'd weed that and you'd layer it into a position like that. And it's crazy how we've gone from a black and white image into a colour. Now if we didn't have that black outline, this is what it would look like. See how different it looks? I just think it makes the colour pop a bit more. So there you go, guys. This is contour. This is how you contour a black and white image and layer it. I hope this helps.